Hello students, welcome to online audio video lessons, an initiative taken by Seth Vidya Mandir English High School affiliated to CBSE. Myself Mrudula Karderu, mathematics teacher for standard 6th. So children, today let us continue with chapter 11 algebra. So children, let us begin. Children, in this session we will start with the continuation of exercise question number 4. A. Complete the table and by inspection of the table find the solution to the equation m plus 10 is equals to 16. They have given the values of m and try to find the value of m plus 10 where it should be equals to 16. So if m is equals to 1, what will be m plus 10? It will be 11, that is 1 plus 10, it becomes 11. Here when it is 2, it becomes 2 plus 10, 12. 3 plus 10, 13. 4 plus 10, 14. Similarly it continues 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Isn't it? Now you have to check m plus 10 is equals to 16. So where we are getting m plus 10 is equals to 16? At the value 6, isn't it? See, when m is equals to 6, you get the value m plus 10 is equals to 16. So this is the solution for the given equation. So you write m is equals to 6. Is it clear? Similarly here 5t is equals to 35. You have to satisfy this equation along by filling this one. Now t value is 3. 5t, that is 5 into 3. 5 3s are 15. 5t where t is equals to 4. So it becomes 5 4s are 20. 5 5s are 25. 5 6s are 30. 5 7s are 35. 5 8s are 40. 5 9s are 45. 5 10s are 50. 5 11s are 55. Now the given equation here is 5t is equals to 35. Where you will get the answer 35? Here. That is at 7. The value of t is 7. So this is the correct value of t. So you will write t is equals to 7. Is it clear? We have another table here, C. Complete the table and find the solution of the equation z upon 3 is equals to 4 using the table. They have given the value of z and z upon 3. You have to fulfill where it is 4. So when z is 8, z upon 3 is 2 whole 2 upon 3. First I will explain you how we are getting this answer. So z upon 3 where z is 8. So you have to place 8 in the value of z. So 8 upon 3. So children, when you divide this, so how will you divide? 3 8. 3 2s are 6. What is remainder? 2. So 2 whole 2 upon 3. Are you getting? Yes. Now when it is 9, so 9 upon 3. 9 upon 3. 3 1s are 3. 3 3s are 9. So your answer is 3. Are you getting it? Yes. Now when the value of z is 10, so it becomes 10 upon 3. So divide 3 upon 10. 3 3s are 9. 1 is remainder. So 3 whole 1 upon 3. 3 whole 1 upon 3. Now when z value is 11, what will be the answer? Value of z is 11 upon 3. Divide it now. 3 divided by 11. 3 3s are 9. 10 11. 2 remainder. So it becomes 3 whole 2 upon 3. So you write here 3 whole 2 upon 3. Next, when the value of z is 12, that is 12 upon 3. So when you get 12 upon 3, you get 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12. So you get the answer 4. So what is my equation here? Z upon 3 is equals to 4. So when I am getting 4, when the value of z is equals to 12. So you write z is equals to 12. Is it clear? Next we have D. Complete the table and find the solution to the equation m minus 7 is equals to 3. Now m is 5. 5 minus 7 you get minus 2. 6 minus 7 you get minus 1 because 7 is greater and its symbol sign is minus, so minus 1. 7 minus 7 0. 8 minus 7 1. 9 minus 7 2. 10 minus 7 3. So children, check here, m minus 7 is equals to 3. Am I getting 3 here? Yes. So the value of m is 10. So you write m is equals to 10. Question number 5. Who am I? Go round a square counting every corner thrice and no more. Add the count to me to get exact 34. So children, you have to count every corner 3 times. As there are 4 corners, we have 3 into 4 is equals to 12. And when 12 is added to a number, we get 34. So the equation will be x plus 12 is equals to 34. X is equals to plus 12 becomes minus 12 this side. So x is equals to 34 minus 12, that is 22. So the required number is 22. Next we have, for each day of the week, make an up count from me. If you make no mistake, you will get 23. So we will start the week where it is 23. So here, as we count the days by Sunday, Monday, Tuesday and so on. So I will take first Sunday, that is 23. Now we will go backwards. Saturday it will be 1 day less, so 22. Friday 21, Thursday 20, Wednesday 19, Tuesday 18, Monday 17, Sunday 16. As Sunday is repeating, so this is the day where we have started counting. So it is 16. I am a special number. Take away from me a 6, the whole cricket team. You will still be able to fix. Children, you already know there are 11 players in a cricket team. And when you subtract 6 from a given number, it gives you the cricket team. So x minus 6 is equals to 11. So when you subtract 6 from a number, it gives you cricket team. So x is equals to 11. This minus 6 comes this side, it becomes plus 6. So x is equals to 11 plus 6, 17. So the given number is 17. Fourth one. Tell me who I am. I shall give a pretty clue. You will get me back if you take me out of 22. So children, when you subtract any number from 22, it will give you the same answer. So the number is in such a way that when you subtract that number from 22, the answer which you get is the number itself. So the number will be 22, because when you subtract 11 from 22, 22 minus 11, you get the answer again as the same number. So that number is 11.